Hi, this is Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. Found a clean truck right here. This is a 2016 Ford F150. Stock number is 7233. Let's take you around the exterior and then show you the interior on your virtual video walk around. Nice rims and tires. Making our way around to the passenger rear of the vehicle. Sport Edition 4x4, of course. Super clean truck with low miles, just over 50,000 miles. And we're going to make our way right down the driver's exterior and then put you into the driver's seat. This is the fun part. Boom, just like that. Interior is impeccable, no rips, no tears, no stains. Ample room for everybody in the back. Nice control panel, easy touch access within arm's reach. Comfortable drive, economical. This F-150 is not going to last. So take a look at this F-150, or if you have questions on it, or on our other inventory, call, email, or text us. Better yet, come on down. We'd love to meet you and hopefully earn your business. Hope you've had a great day and enjoyed your virtual video walk around.